G'day everyone, Shane here from Fanmaster Australia. You might have seen the Bureau of Meteorology is forecasting a warmer winter than usual across much of Australia, which sounds great. Until you remember, this is Australia, where warmer winter can still mean a 5-degree warehouse, a freezing workshop floor, and someone in the office saying, "It's not that cold," while wearing a puffer jacket and a beanie. So let's clear something up. Warmer than average does not mean warm. It doesn't mean your warehouse turns into a tropical resort. It doesn't mean your staff suddenly stop feeling the cold. And it definitely doesn't mean the forklift driver at 6:30 in the morning is saying, "You know what? Bit too cozy in here today." A slightly warmer winter still has cold starts. Cold concrete floors, roller doors opening and closing, drafty work areas, exposed job sites, and large spaces that lose heat faster than a meat pie left unattended at Smoko. And that's where the right heating equipment still matters. Because heating isn't just about comfort, it's about keeping people productive, safe, and focused. When staff are cold, they slow down. When hands are cold, simple tasks get harder. And when people are uncomfortable, morale drops. And when everybody's fighting over the warm spot near the kettle, that's usually a sign the workplace might need a better heating solution. At Fanmaster, we offer a full range of heating equipment for commercial and industrial spaces, including diesel heaters, LPG heaters, and electric heating options. For large open areas, diesel heaters can deliver serious heat. For more portable applications, LPG heaters can be a practical option. And for smaller workstations, site offices, or enclosed areas, electric space heaters can help take the bite out of the cold. The key is choosing the right heater for the right space, because buying the wrong heater is a bit like bringing a beach umbrella to a cyclone. Technically, it's equipment, but it's not solving the problem. So yes, winter might be forecasted to be warmer than usual, but cold mornings still show up. Warehouses still get chilly, workshops need heating, and winter, being winter, still clocks in for the early shift. Need help choosing the right heating solution for your workspace? Give Fanmaster a call on 1300 900 345 or visit fanmaster.com.au. And remember, at Fanmaster, we're more than fans. We offer complete air solutions.